Good evening. Thank you for the opportunity this video and take care of you, ladies and gentlemen. So right now let me introduce myself. My complete name is Alipiani Dwi Putri, but you can call me Alpi. I come from Bekasi. I was born on 12 April 2006. But I'm living in Serang Baru. Right now I'm single and studying as a study at Pelita Bangsa University. Studying in Informatic Engineering. I graduated from Senior High School 1 Serang Baru. My nationalization Indonesian. My hobby is singing. I'm interested in Mountain Bogor. My phone number 0857 1009 2053. I am Muslim. Happy National Day. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.